She is. What do you think of this snow, Elliot? Do you like it? Is it cold? Oh dear. Yay! Ruby's making a snow angel.
Change from a snow angel to a snow witch.
Alright, back and forth. Fly away in the snow.
Snowboarder.
Do-do-do.
Oh yeah. Dig in some edges. Oh yeah. Oh! Keep your knees bent. Oh.
Right there it's alright. Put down.
Look at those girls rolling down the hill.
That's right. Hazel's singing.
So glad you like those boots, Bruce. Cool.
Those are nice and warm. Good job.
What's up, Ruby?
Oopsie, there goes Hazel.
Let's see what Ada does for a little bit. See if she wants to trade up. I mean, she is the girl of honor today. Since this is her party.
That's right, Dad.
Rules.
That's right, Dad.
Oh.
Whoa.
We need to get some corduroy out here.
Yeah, where's the groomer?
Hazel. Hazel. Hazel.
When they like run the little thing over the snow to make it all flat, so it's easier for beginners.
There we go.
Good job.
Go edge.
Nice job.
It's like, is that because it's so windy that it blows the snow all along the tree?
Yes, it must be. Because I don't think snowplows go through here. Oh, snowblower, yeah.
Snow used to go all the way up there, but kind of melted.
Yay, Ada! Good job. Good job, Ada. Snowboard.
Well, it's harder in the back country.
That's right. Wow, it's like, who needs a snowboard?
Yeah, that's right. You got your own built.
Oh, there goes Violet down the hill. Rolling, rolling.
Trash bag.
Yeah, what happened to some of our
Does that work? I feel like it worked once in my life when you're small. But I feel like that was in the summer too, like down really steep grassy hills.
Yeah, right.
Better in the summer.
When you're little, things work better.
Yeah, that's right. Sure, go with the yellow boots.
You'll fall as far.
Minimalist boots. Huh?
Good job!
Yay, Ada. Yeehaw.
The same style that I had my shoes, but these are like full boots.